Hi everyone, welcome to Quizzie Cottage. I'm Quizzie, the Quizmaster, and today I'm going to be doing a challenge. Now, a challenge not set by one of my lovely fans, but by one of their pesky parents. Now, I've been asked to see if I can complete this. It's a Rubik's Cube, and because I'm the Quizmaster, they think that I should be pretty good at quizzing and pretty good at doing puzzles. So, I'm going to give it a go. Now this cube has 6 sides. And each side is meant to be a different colour. But as you can see, it's pretty scrambled. So here we go. And there it is. Challenge complete. 6 sides, all different colours. Thanks very much. See you again soon. Bye for now.
Hey everyone, it's Quizzie here down at Quizzie Cottage. If you are enjoying my videos, then please click that like button and click that subscribe button so we can keep making more videos for you and sending them your way. Thanks very much, keep quizzing, and we'll see you back down at Quizzie Cottage for another round of quiz time. See you soon, bye bye.